I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah.
So I just got the new Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. I have the 11-inch. I unboxed it on my channel. If you guys haven't seen that video, go watch that one before you watch this one. It's a good one. So of course I got the iPad, so I had to get the Magic Keyboard that comes along with it. I am super excited about this because I've been wanting to make a video that compares the iPad with the keyboard and a MacBook for college and which one is better for note-taking. Finally, I'll be able to do that video hopefully soon now that I have this keyboard. Also, before we start, I wanted to first of all just thank you guys for always watching my videos and supporting me. If it wasn't for you guys always liking my videos, subscribing, watching my videos all the way through, I literally would not be where I am today and would not be able to buy this beautiful Apple product. So thank you guys so much for allowing me to do what I do, and hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't yet. Alright, so I did buy this off the Apple website for once. I normally buy my Apple products off of Amazon, but I literally ordered this like hours after they had posted it, so I ordered it straight off the Apple website with the education discount. So it was only about $2.79 after the discount. Still pretty pricey for a keyboard, but that's alright. Hopefully it'll be pretty cool. So yeah, I got the one for the 11-inch, and that's all I really think there is to know about this so far. So let's just get into it. Got our nice little knife. So I had been waiting for this package to come in all day, as always. Oh gosh. I'm so scared. I should not be trusted with a knife. Alright. Oh, it's so cute. It's so small. I was actually really surprised when I got this box. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger for some reason. I don't know, but oh my gosh. Ah! This thing is so cute. It's kind of heavy, but we'll see about that. All right, so of course they have a nice little pull tab for us. My dog. Oh gosh. Okay. Boy, like. So the back of the package is kind of cool. It has like a cute little infographic on how the different ways that you can use the keyboard. Okay, and then this box just lifts right up, so. Oh boy. Set that right there. Thing is so cute. Okay, so this is literally the only thing in the box. All right. Baby, so cute. And this thing just kind of comes right off. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh my gosh. There we go, there's those instructions. That's pretty cool how they did that. Is there anything else? Okay, so our first look. Honestly, I haven't really watched many videos over this. I watched maybe one or two. So it's gonna be fun trying to figure this out together. Oh, of course, I already can't shut it. Okay, so, all right, so it has a cute little Apple logo on it right here. The texture of it's pretty cool. I like it. I'm kind of just messing to see what it's like without the iPad on it. I'm kind of worried about not being able to completely flip it around and hold it kind of like a tablet, but we'll see. The keyboard looks nice. I don't know if I have to charge it to be able to use it first, so we'll see right now. My iPad right here. I did end up finally getting a case for my iPad. It's from Amazon. I'll link it in the description for you guys if you're curious. It's kind of just like a folio one, no keyboard or anything. So pop that out of there. This is about to be magical. Okay, I don't really know. Oh! Watch that again. That's pretty cool. It just like easily magnetizes on there. Pretty sturdy, like feels like it's not gonna fall off of there. Here's a first look at it. Let's see, I don't know how you really Okay, I don't really know where to start. Like, I think I probably should go to settings. So we're gonna go to my settings and see how it works with this. I honestly have no idea. All right, I don't know how to turn it on. I definitely should have watched more videos. Oh, okay, I'm really not the smartest, guys. We know this. It automatically works whenever you touch it to the little dots on the back. Okay, we're gonna test this out and just start typing something. So, hello. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hello, my name is Julia. That's so fun. Okay. Oh, and then it has the little cursor. Oh, I don't know what I just did. Okay, I kind of forgot that this was here. There's a cute little trackpad. It's a lot smaller than the one on my MacBook, so that's kind of tripping me out. I normally have like a lot of space to work with, but on here I really don't. It's definitely gonna take a bit to get used to, assuming that I can't figure out how to delete this now. Okay, oh, and I can drag. I wonder... Oh, and then you can right click. Okay, this is super nice. I really like this. It's so cute. And then over here is where I'm going to have to charge it up. Pretty easy, nice. Okay, overall this thing's pretty slick. I don't really know how else to utilize it yet. I obviously just opened it up and started using it a minute ago. So maybe we can go and try to type something, I don't know. So let's act like we are taking notes for a class. Okay, advertising. I like this keyboard a lot better than the one on my MacBook Pro. My MacBook Pro has the new butterfly keyboard and it's actually like breaking down on me, so I'm going to send it in and have it fixed at some point whenever all this is over. So I really like typing on this keyboard a lot more. Classes next semester. I like how small it is too because, I don't know, it just works all together. You should subscribe to my channel right now because I am cool and I unbox Apple products as often as I can. So yeah, if you enjoy this, subscribe. I can't get over how cute the little cursor is on the trackpad. It's this cute little circle.
As you guys can see, I love the new keyboard, and I think you guys should definitely go buy it. Link in my description.
Thanks, Sarah. Okay.
Oh, put that in.
Go away. Okay, so now I'm just gonna play around with like closing it and opening it. Oh boy, it's kind of heavy. I also kind of wish there was, it's pretty much impossible because this has to be here, but I wish there was a spot for my Apple Pencil to hang out inside. In this case that I have, there's a spot along the inside that my Apple Pencil can hide in instead of sitting on the outside and possibly falling off. So that's super nice about that casing that I really enjoy, but this one doesn't have that, so it's just gonna have to stick onto the side like normal. The texture of the case is just super nice. I am really liking it. It is pretty heavy, but my MacBook Pro is still definitely heavier, so that's super nice about that. It's just overall so cute and like you can hold it. I will say it is kind of difficult to open. You kind of have to, like there's a little bit of resistance there when you try to open it. It also doesn't just go back normally, you have to have it at a tilt. I think the tilt thing is pretty cool and you can decide which angle of tilt that you want it at, but it only goes to about there. I did see in iJustine's video, she took the iPad and flipped it around like this so that if you wanted to have it down like this to be able to write on it for like drawing or Procreate or something, you could easily do that. But I don't know, at first I thought maybe it would be ridiculous, but honestly it looks kind of like a laptop. If you're sitting in a coffee shop, it's literally just gonna look like a laptop and people probably won't think you're crazy, so that's pretty cool. For Procreate, it's kind of weird to draw on it like this, because you kind of, I don't know, it's just awkward. Your shoulder pops out weird, but I don't know, it'll be something to figure out. And I might just have to flip it upside down like I just had it, but that's okay. Also, I just wanted to mention to you guys that if you guys haven't seen my What's on my iPad Pro, go watch that video. It has lots of information in it. In that video, I show that I have my own website and that I make my own screensavers. So, this screensaver here and this one right here. It's a little, I need to adjust it, but that's okay. Are all on my website. If you go to www.juliakcrist.com, you can go here and right on the homepage it says looking for the free graphics, click here. And then it'll take you to my freebies page. I have graphics for literally everything. We have MacBook screensavers, iPad screensavers, iPhone, Apple Watch. Then I have little desktop icons. Go watch my MacBook customization and organization video to learn about how you can use those. All on here, so let's go to iPad. There's some super, super cute ones that I have made. I am in the works of making a bunch more. It's taking a while. I want to upload them all at the same time. So if you want, I have a mailing list down here where you can sign up with just your email, and then eventually when I put a bunch of new content on my website, I will send you guys an email. Also, my last thing, I already need some new Apple Pencil tips, so if you guys have any recommendations of where to get good ones, let me know. I haven't really looked at all, so if they're on the Apple Store, let me know. If Amazon has some good ones, drop a link for me. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. But yeah, if you guys have any questions at all about this whole setup or the keyboard itself or just anything, or if we get enough questions, I will try to do a like review slash Q&A type of video where I answer all your questions about it. And if you just have any other videos in general that you want to see with my iPad or the keyboard or note-taking or anything, drop those ideas below as well and I will put them on my list. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you here again on my channel sometime soon.